This one is a 1960s and 1970s Smith-Corona Galaxie 10 Deluxe. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To get it out of the case, push this button up, pull it out. Left side, back, right side, inside the key bed with the spools. Line spacer works. Left margin release, right carriage release. The margins work. Bell works. Power space, sometimes it's a little bit, but that works good too. The tab is fully cleared, so let's set a tab right there. Stops at the tab, let's clear that tab. Works good. Let's get to the end of the margin. Can't type or space at the end, so margin release. Works good. Backspace works good. All right, let's type.